Welcome to the Colorlight course. This video will walk you through how to set program schedules and command schedules for your player. What is schedule? Schedule denotes a feature that performs an action according to the command. For example, a program schedule allows a player to switch between programs in chronological order. What is a schedule for? Schedule helps reduce labor costs and enable automation. Before you begin, do the following. First, sync the player time with network time or PC time to ensure accuracy during command execution. Second, prepare programs that you want to apply schedules to. This session explains how to set the program schedules for your player. To begin with, double-click Player Master. Select the Schedule tab and click on Program. Select Add and determine the schedule name, and then select OK to create a schedule. In the pop-up dialog, three options are presented, and regarding priority, spot is before rotation, followed by spare. Assume that a customer wants to play Program A from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Program B from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. every weekday. Take rotation as an example. Select Add next to rotation and choose Program A. Select every day under effective date. Then select Specified Week and select the checkboxes of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Select Specified Time under Effective Time and set the start time as 8 a.m. and the end time as 6 p.m. Similarly, select Add next to rotation and choose Program B. Set the start time and end time as 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. respectively by repeating the previous steps and select OK. Schedules of Program A and Program B are created accordingly. Finally, select a device you want to publish to and click on Publish to complete program settings. Next, I will cover the methods to set command schedules for your player. Before you begin, learn about command types, including sleep, wake up, reboot, brightness control, volume control, switch to sync signal, switch to async signal, relay control, and board relay control. Note that commands should be assigned in pairs. For example, the sleep and wake up commands should be assigned simultaneously. Commands to open and close the relay should be assigned simultaneously. Let's dive into the operations of publishing command schedules. First, select the Schedule tab and click on Command. Select Add and determine the command name and click on OK. Second, in the Command Schedule interface, click on Add and select Sleep in the drop-down menu. Set the execution time as 11 p.m. and select Every Day under Effective Date and Effective Week. Then select Confirm. Third, select Wake Up in the drop-down menu. Set the execution time as 7 a.m. and select Every Day under Effective Date and Effective Week. Fourth, the Sleep and Wake Up commands are created. Select Publish to complete program publishing. Finally, to delete program schedules, follow these steps. For schedules published in LAN mode, right-click the device under LAN and select Delete Program Schedule or Delete Command Schedule. For schedules published in cloud mode, right-click the corresponding terminal group in the device list to delete its program schedule or command schedule. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.